Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, March 20. As the government continues to put measures in place to deal with crime, the Ministry of National Security is reporting the apprehension of 21 of the island's most wanted persons. They have been captured under the Fugitive Apprehension Program with help from the public through Crime Stop. Acknowledging the success of the program, Portfolio Minister Robert Montego is urging residents to continue providing information to the police.
The good people of Jamaica must unite, and we must not leave space for the criminals to operate. By our silence, we allow criminals to operate.
The Fugitive Apprehension Program provides a reward of $1 million to individuals who supply information that leads to the capture of wanted persons. Minister Montego was in Spanish Town recently for the opening of the Green Acres Police Post. And with the implementation of a state of emergency in the St. Catherine North Police Division, further appeal is being made for citizens to report criminal activities. Calls can be made to the Jamaica Defence Force tip line 837-8888.
The hotline is manned on a 24-hour basis and offers convenience and confidentiality, and we anticipate that its success in St. James will be replicated in St. Catherine.
The JDF's Chief of Defence Staff was speaking at a press briefing on Sunday. He said the security forces would be publishing photos, bulletins, social media images and data about gang members and other criminals to help persons identify and report them. Meanwhile, Major General Rocky Meade is urging citizens to take note of the boundaries for the enhanced security measures in the St. Catherine North Police Division. The northern markers include the intersections of St. Anne, Clarendon and St. Catherine parish boundaries.
Running east towards Garfield Road, to the north-south highway, Monique Leg, then to Geisel Square and to Sethfield.
The southern boundaries will run along the Heartland Main Road to Hill Run Main Road. Eastern boundaries will run south to Sligoville. At the intersection of Highway 2000, Lakespen Road, Port Henderson Road, Salt Pond Road and the Hill Run Main Road. Meanwhile, parish boundaries on the west will run south to Ginger Ridge, Blue Hole, Marley Hill, Dover Road, intersection of PJ Patterson Highway and the Heartland Main Road.
And let me reiterate the importance of community support during the enhanced security measures as we strive to reduce incidents of murders, shootings, re-establish the security of our citizens in St. Catherine North and restore confidence in our state apparatus.
In other security news, ground was broken on Friday for the construction of a police station in Buff Bay, Portland. The National Housing Trust, NHT, will fund the project at a cost of $50 million. It's to be completed by November next year. National Security Minister Robert Montego says the project is in keeping with the Prime Minister's charge to the NHT to ensure police stations are within 10 miles of housing schemes developed by the entity.
NHT has undertaken to construct, repair or refurbish 100 police stations across the length and breadth of Jamaica. They're going to be spending from between 20 million to a maximum of 60 million on each facility.
And finally, work has begun on a $550 million project that will enhance Falmouth's tourism draw. Ground was broken for the Hamden Wharf Development Project on Friday. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says these kinds of investment in the infrastructure will contribute greatly to the sustainability of the sector.
The process will enable us to get the result that we want for the town as a whole, but most importantly, to build out the capacity to deliver quality products, to ensure that the cultural assets of Falmouth and its neighboring areas are properly showcased, and that the returns from the creativity of the people of this area is of such that it enables prosperity in the long run.
The Hamden Wharf development is expected to create jobs, generate income and raise living standards, all good things for the local economy and residents. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.